Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the green status. Update the team's desktop app, then sign in with the correct business account. Make sure licensing and policy settings allow presence signaling. Once done, set your status to available and enable background blur or camera privacy options. These won't change presence but prepare your session. Also, pin the team's window and disable sleep timers on your device. This ensures teams can send presence pings continuously. Next, maintain active presence by keeping teams in the foreground when possible, or use a sanctioned background activity tool that simulates interaction. Make sure system power settings prevent premature sleep. Set display to around 15 minutes and system sleep to 60 minutes for reliability. Once configured, disable competing calendar autoresponders or third-party status scripts that overwrite teams' presence. Finally, verify that integration apps like Outlook and SharePoint are allowed to sync presence. To finish, restart Teams and sign out then back and so all settings take effect. This is a quick reset that often resolves inconsistencies. Make sure your network provides low latency and stable DNS resolution, and that required ports for Teams are open. Network interruptions flip presence to away. If you still see problems, clear the team's cache and review admin-level presence policies. Those are common culprits. If needed, escalate to IT with logs and timestamps so they can trace presence events.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.